Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a lifestyle haul from Shop Miss A. And this is a little bit of a shorter haul, but I really did want to share with you guys what my second package had in store. So if you want to see what products I purchased from Shop Miss A, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugs and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload. And if you like the video, if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. So the first product in my package was the A+ Hair Tamer Finishing Wand. I decided to repurchase this product. I already do own it. I actually mentioned it, I believe it was in my empties video last month. And it's actually a really great product. It's really great for flyaway hairs or anything if you want your hair to be just a little more put together. I've really been enjoying this product. However, I did pick it up in a different scent. This is the Rose Scent one. And again, it's just the same product, it's just a different smell. Honestly, it doesn't really smell like anything to me, but it's just the same product. Hopefully this one works the same way. I really love it, and I'm almost through my other one, so this is definitely one that I really had to repurchase because it's just that good. I picked this product up, which is a case for AirPods. So I do have some AirPods, and I thought this looked so cute just to kind of carry around in my purse. It looks like it's like a silicone kind of moment. It's come with like a little clip, so you could put it on, let's say like on your jeans if you want to hang it off your purse or whatever. It's really cute, so I definitely cannot wait to see how it looks on my AirPods. So the whole reason for making this purchase is because of this product. This is the AOA Studio 5-blade razor kit. So it comes with various items in here. It comes with one razor handle, it comes with 5 blade cartridges, and 1 razor holder. And the reason that I have this, again, I did purchase it, I believe it was like a year ago now, and mine did break because I just use it so much and so often. So I did go ahead and pick up another one. It's definitely worth the purchase. I believe it's like $10, but you get so much in here, and it's, again, definitely worth the price. And I really love the quality of this razor as well, and I've actually mentioned this in a favorites video as well. It's just so good and definitely worth the money. And they do have this purple one, which is the woman's razor. You could use whichever one you want, but it also does come in a like men's style, which is more of a gray blue moment. But the women's one is a pink purple moment. I have no idea why I picked these up. Honestly, I did pick up some new sponges from the website, which are these, the mochi ones that I mentioned in my latest Shop Miss A video. So for some reason, I decided to pick these up, which are just the Pawpaw Wonder Blender pack. It comes with 6 in here. They're a really great deal. I just don't know why I picked them up. I already have some in my collection, but I thought I needed more, I guess. So I did go ahead and pick up another pack of the Pawpaw sponges. Honestly, you can never have too many of these. These are so nice, and you shouldn't have your sponge for too long anyway. So it's really good to kind of interchange your sponges, wash them often. So now I have some backup Pawpaw sponges. I picked up some of their fluffy socks. I love these socks. I have like 4 pairs now, I believe. I picked them up in this really beautiful like blue tone. I also own some black ones, some gray ones. I picked up some like lighter gray ones as well. These are so comfy, especially at the nighttime when it's cold. Whenever, I just love throwing these on. They're so cozy, especially like after the shower or whatever. It's just, it feels so nice, and they're such a nice quality moment. So they are from Shop Miss A. They're just so nice, and you don't have to choose your size in these. They actually all come, like, I believe it's all like one size. They're really like stretchy and just comfortable. I love them. So I did go ahead and pick up a value pack of the cleanser from Shop Miss A. This is a niacinamide 2% ceramide green tea foam cleanser. This is just my favorite for my skin type. I do have oily skin, and it just works out so well. So I decided to pick up the whole set, and yeah, it was just super inexpensive, so why not? I actually did run out recently, and I really needed this back in my collection, so I went ahead and picked up a bunch of their foaming cleanser, as well as a value pack of their moisturizer. And this is the niacinamide 2% BHA moisturizer. Such a really cute like little pouch. These are perfect if you're going to be traveling to take your skincare with you. You do twist this part to, and it becomes like a little cover for it. It's a really cute, super convenient packaging, but I love that it comes in a whole like value set like this. Super convenient, and this is also one of my favorite moisturizers from their website. And that was the last product. We made it to the end. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload these times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to get this video like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.